Hello mga kabuang, good morning. Good morning. Dumating kami kanina dito mga 7 AM after 12 hours of travel from London. Nandito na kami sa Cornwall. At dahil hindi pa kami makapag-check-in kasi yung check-in time namin is 2 PM. But help me lagi. But we're still lucky because even we can check in, we still accept our suitcase to stay in their lobby. So yeah, this is the, what's the name of this beach, Lalab?
Allah.
What's that? Hala, nakita niyo yun? Yung mga itim-itim na yan? Yun yung sinasabi ng ano. Shout out pala kay Miss Daisy. Na nakikita ako yung reels niya sa Facebook. Kaya nagka-interest kami na puntahan to. Kasi marami daw tong tahong dito eh. Yang itim na yan sa bato, mga tahong yan. Kasi yung plan talaga namin ni Habi, pupunta kami ng Swansea. Inakita ko sa reels, nagka-interest. Libreng ulam na yan eh. Ito nga pala si Habi. Under the sun.
Thank you. What do I recommend?
So yes guys, no sleep. After 12 hours of travel, finally we're here.
And now we're going to investigate.
And now we're going to investigate about the tahong ni Carla. Day Carla, ang daming tahong dito. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ayan. Kaya siya itim na itim kasi ano yan, tahong. Titingnan natin kung totoo ba. So we can swim tomorrow. But maybe tomorrow we're not here. So we find another place. Wow.
Let's walk over to the dark areas.
Yes.
Let's see. Because the myth is...
Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalinaw yung dagat. Yung tubig pala. Ang sarap maligo. At saka perfect yung weather. Tingnan mo naman yung sky. Oh, walang ka ano. Walang ka clouds. Ah, hindi pala siya ano. We thought the rock become black because of the mussels. But no.
Wow, Stoke Beach.
Wow. Look at that.
Allah, look at this. Where's that archway that they say? I want to...
Hopefully we can find the ano.
And it's like really fresh as well, right?
Yeah, tingnan nyo naman yung ano dito, oh. Ang sarap maglaro. We don't have bring our ano Lalab, extra slipper for the sun. Wow. Go Lalab and do like this. Go first.
Go first what?
Serious. Tadang! Oh, kita nyo yun? Hindi ako lang nakakita. Ako! Need to remove our shoes. Hala! We don't have even plastic.
For what?
Mangungatag tahong ni Carla.